Hello everyone and welcome back to Informative Channel, the channel that brings you the most exciting, futuristic and mind-bending concepts from the world of technology and exploration. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the journey of discovery. Now today we're diving into one of the most thrilling topics out there. Imagine a world where humans are living on Mars and beyond. Yes, I'm talking about space travel, the colonization of Mars, and what the future of humanity in space could look like. Sounds like science fiction, right? But trust me, we're getting closer to making it a reality every day. So let's explore this bold future together. Space travel has always been one of humanity's greatest dreams. From the first moon landing in 1969 to the most recent robotic missions on Mars, our fascination with space is reaching new heights. But now, we're asking the biggest question of all. Can we live on Mars? Space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The idea of humans setting foot on Mars within the next decade is no longer just a dream, it's becoming a reality. So, let's take a look at how Mars colonization could unfold, and what challenges we face on this incredible journey. So, who's leading the race to get to Mars? Well, NASA, of course, is at the forefront with its Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon and eventually pave the way for Mars missions. But let's not forget SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, which is working tirelessly on its Starship project, a spacecraft designed specifically to carry humans to Mars. In fact, SpaceX's ambitious timeline hopes to launch the first crewed mission to Mars as early as 2026. That's just around the corner, people. With its massive rockets and cutting-edge technology, SpaceX is playing a pivotal role in turning this dream into a reality. But let's dig deeper. How do we actually get there? First, the journey to Mars is no easy task. Mars is about 225 million kilometers away from Earth. That's roughly 9 months of travel time with current spacecraft technology, and during that time, astronauts will face extreme conditions, including radiation exposure from the sun, microgravity that could affect their health, and the isolation of being far from Earth. Once there, the challenges continue. We'll need to set up habitats that can protect astronauts from harsh Martian winds, extreme temperatures, and radiation. So, how do we solve these problems? NASA has been experimenting with innovative life support systems, and SpaceX is developing a spacecraft called Starship that could one day carry up to 100 astronauts at a time. Now let's talk about the real challenges of colonizing Mars. Sure, we're talking about sending astronauts to Mars, but what happens when we try to stay there permanently? First, there's the issue of food and water. Mars doesn't have oceans or rivers, so we'll need to bring everything with us or figure out how to produce food on Mars. Some scientists are already testing methods of growing crops in Martian soil or creating hydroponic systems that could allow astronauts to grow their own food. We could even be eating Martian-grown potatoes, just like in the movie The Martian. Then there's the oxygen problem. Mars has a very thin atmosphere with almost no oxygen, so astronauts will need to create their own oxygen using advanced technology. One of the ideas being tested is a machine called MOXIE that extracts oxygen from the carbon dioxide in Mars's atmosphere. It's a critical step toward making Mars habitable for long-term living. But what if we could do more than just survive on Mars? What if we could actually terraform the planet, turning it into a more Earth-like environment? Terraforming Mars involves making the atmosphere thicker and warmer, so it could support liquid water and even plant life. The idea sounds straight out of science fiction, but scientists are exploring different methods to make it possible, such as nuking the poles with nuclear bombs to release carbon dioxide and heat the atmosphere. While the idea sounds wild, it's one of the most interesting theories being tested. But Mars is just the beginning. As amazing as it would be to colonize the red planet, space travel doesn't stop there. NASA and other space agencies are already planning missions to Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, and even Titan, Saturn's largest moon. There's a whole universe out there, and the possibilities are endless. Could we one day see human colonies on exoplanets orbiting distant stars? Could we unlock the secrets of the cosmic web and understand the true nature of the universe? The future of space travel is limitless, and we're just scratching the surface. So, what does the future hold for us in space? Mars is just the first step. The technology, the challenges, and the possibilities are enormous. But one thing is for sure, we're on the verge of becoming a multi-planetary species, and the journey to Mars is just the beginning. If you found this video as exciting as I did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more mind-blowing content about the future of space and technology. Drop a comment below. Do you think humans will live on Mars in the near future? And what do you think our next destination in space will be? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, the universe is out there, and it's waiting for us to explore. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.